School of AI.
What if a single sentence could manipulate your AI application, expose hidden instruction, poison its knowledge, or trigger an unauthorized action? Now, as developers add RAG, memory, tools, and autonomous agents to their applications, prompt injection is no longer just about making a chatbot say something unexpected. It can become a real application security risk. Welcome to AI Security Masterclass, Prompt Injection and LLM Security. Hi, I'm Vivin Arana, and along with me is Arjun Ved, and we will be your instructors for this particular course. Now, in this hands on course, you will build a complete AI assistant with Python and Ollama, and then learn how attackers attempt to compromise it. You will begin with a basic chat assistant and launch direct prompt injection attacks against it. You will test jailbreaks, role playing attacks, encoded prompts, and multi turn manipulation techniques. Then you will add document based RAG and discover how a malicious PDF can poison retrieved context and influence the model's response. Next, you will give your assistant access to tools such as weather, calculators, and email. You will see how prompt injection can escalate from manipulating text to triggering unauthorized actions. You will add persistent memory, poison the stored information, and learn why one malicious interaction can affect the future conversations. You will also build an autonomous planner agent, attempt to compromise its decisions, and protect dangerous actions using permissions, risk scoring, validation, and human approval. Most importantly, you will not just watch these attacks, you will implement the defenses yourself. Now, by the end of this course, you will combine prompt validation, RAG protection. We'll also look at tool authorization. We'll look at memory security. We'll look at agent controls, the guardrails, and audit logging into a reusable AI security gateway. Finally, you will package and run your secure AI assistant with Docker. Now, if you already know basic Python and want to build AI applications that are not only powerful but secure by design, join me in this course. What you can do is you can also look at our teaser free preview video available where we're going to run through a complete application that you will be learning in the rest of the videos. Build it, attack it, secure it, and prove that your defenses work.